Hello friends. Today let us learn 6th standard chapter 1 knowing our numbers exercise 1.3. The first main round off the following numbers to the nearest hundreds. So you have to round off the following numbers to the nearest hundreds. Hundreds round off panana. Let us see the number. So the number is 6,84,983. So you have to round it off to the 100. This is ones number, tens, 100 place. So you have to round it off to the hundreds. So to 100 ಗೆ round off ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ you have to look at the tens place. So tens place is more than 5, that is more than 50. So this is more than 50. So you have to add 1 to the 100 place. So 100 place ಗೆ 1 add ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? We should add, and 9 plus 1 is 10. So 4 plus 1 is 5 and 8 as it is and 6 as it is. Here the two number is 0 because you have to round. This is called as rounding off. So now 0 ಬರಬೇಕು. Now the number has become 6,85,000. So the rounding of the number becomes 6,85,000 because in 983, 83 is greater than 50. So you should round off it to its next 100. So you should, if it is more than 50, you should add one number to the hundreds place and write down the numbers. Okay, let us see the next number. So 58,64,898. So again you have to add, rounding off to the 100. This is ones place, tens place, 100 place. So for 100, for rounding of 100, you have to look at the tens place. Tens place is more than 50. So if it is more than 50, you should add 1 to the hundreds place. If you add 1, this becomes 0. 8 plus 1, 9, and 4, 6, 8, 5. So this becomes 58,64,900. Now the answer is 58,64,900. This is called rounding of the numbers. So let us see the next problem. The next is 86,41,368, and again to rounding off to the nearest 100. So you have to round off this 100. So look at this next number, ones and tens. So tens number is more than 50. You should add 1. So this becomes 4. That is 86,41,400. So this becomes 86,41,400. And next question is 16,74,366. So 16,74,366 nano 300. We should look at the 300 place and look at the tens place. It is more than 50. So you should add 1. This becomes 16,74,400. So this becomes 16,74,400. Okay, next main, let us see. Second main, round off the following numbers to the nearest tens. So in the last main, we have rounded off the following to the nearest 100, and in this main, we are going to round to the nearest tens number. Let us see the number. The first number is 547. If the first number is 547, let us see. This is a mountain. Here we have a mountain. In the bottom we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and at the top we got 15, 25, 35, 45. So here we have to round it up to the nearest tens number. This is ones, this is tens, this is 100. So the number is 47. See, if I drop a ball on 47, so this is 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. If I drop a ball on 47, so it does not stay here. The ball will stay agala. It goes down to 50. That is nothing but rounding off to the nearest number. So it round off to the 50. 50 build the ball. So this will be the answer. It is so easy. The answer is 550. And second question, 6,538. 6,538, we have to round it up to the nearest tens. That is 0, that is ones, and tens, 100 and 1000. So you have to round it up to the tens place. That is 38. Here 8 is more than 5. So you have to add one number to it. This becomes 6,540. So 38. If I drop a ball on 38, 38 somewhere lies between 35 to 40. 38 ball it goes down to 40. So this becomes 40. Okay, that's why it becomes 6540. Next question is 1,46,265. So we have to round it off to the nearest tens. This is ones, tens, 100. So to round off to the tens, we have to look at the ones place. So in ones place there is 5. The number is 5. So 5 or more than 5, we have to add 1 to the tens place. So now ball na 5 ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ actually ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ max ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ it goes to the next place. We are counting to the next number. We are going to the next number. So if it is 5 or more than 5, we should add 1 to it. So that becomes 1,46,270. So 65 becomes 70. This is the rounding to the nearest tens. So 1,46,270. Next number is 86,541. So 86,541. We have to round it up to the nearest tens place. So here in the ones place we have only 1. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹಾಕಿರೋ ಬಾಲ್ it comes to the back again to 10 only. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 41 ಅಲ್ವಾ. So if I put the ball on 41, see here 41 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು 40 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So here the answer is 86,540. It is such a simple 86,540. If it is 5 or more than 5, then you have to add one number, or if it is less than 5, you have to write the same number. Third main, estimate the sum of the following number and verify with the actual sum. We have to estimate the sum. Sum means add and verify with the actual sum. Let us see. So they are given 6,843 and 4,196. So you have to add the actual sum means addition. You have to add the same number and write the actual number. Actual sum is, if you add these two numbers, actual sum is 11,039. But they have asked to again estimate the sum. Estimated means on average, say approximate number. So let us write approximate number. Let us rounding off this number first. That is, this becomes 6,800 because 43 is less than 50. So we have to write same number 6,800, and here it is more than 50. That is 96 we have. So it becomes 4,200. So when you add 6,800 plus 4,200, the sum you will be getting 8 plus 2 is 10. So 6 plus 4, 11. So you will be getting 11,000 as an estimation. So here nothing but estimated sum is equal to 11,000. Okay. Let us see the next problem. 65,861 and 86,416. If you add these two numbers, the actual sum will be 1,52,277. Let us round up to the nearest 100. That is, if you round up to the nearest 100, this comes is 65,900. Okay, this comes to the 65,900, and here that is 86,400 because it is less than 50, and here it is more than 50 because that's why we have added 1. It is less than 50, so we are writing the same number. If you add these two numbers, the estimated sum will be 1,52,300. Okay, estimation is nothing but an approximate number, approximate sum. Here 28,413 and 81,433. This becomes 400. This becomes again here also 400. That is 81,400 and here 28,400. But the actual sum is 1,09,846. If you add this estimation number, you will be getting 1,09,800. Okay. Next number 41,633, 59,376. So here nearest 100 here, nodana. So this becomes 41,600 and here 59,400. If you add, the actual number is 1,01,009, and if you add the estimated number, that is 1,01,000. Round off the following numbers to the nearest 1,000. So we have to round up to the nearest 1000. It is so easy. The first number is 84,76,968. We have to round up to the nearest 1000. This is thousands place. It is ones, tens, hundred, and thousands place. 6 is in thousands place. To round up to the thousands place, you have to look at the 100 place. 100 place not 100 is more than 5. That is 500. More than 500. So you have to add 1 to it. 1 add madre, it becomes 7. It is 7 and 4 and 8. Here 3 zeros. So the number become 84,77,000. The answer is 84,77,000. Let us see the next number. 6,41,986. We have to round up to the nearest 1000. This is thousands place. If it is more than 500, you have to add 1 to it. That becomes 6,42,000. So the 42,000. Okay, it's so easy. Next question. And this is a thousands place. You have to round it off to the thousands place. Thousands place and the 100 place only 900 is there. So you should add one number to it. That becomes 78,65,000. So the answer is 78,65,000. Okay. Next number 1,62,81,354. So now 1000 now round off madbeko. This thousands place. 100 place, in 100 place we have 3. It is less than 500. 100 place only less than 500 is there. So you should not add any number to it. Write down as it is. That is 1,62,81,000 is the answer. So 1,62,81,000 is the answer. Okay. Next question is, next main, estimate the product of the following number. You have to estimate the product. Product means you have to multiply the number and write the following number. That is estimation. Let us see first question. 53, 96. They are given 53 and 96. You have to multiply this both. 53. When you multiply 53 and 96, the answer is 5088. But this is the actual multiplication. But they have asked to estimate the product. Only an estimation. I'll say I will round it off 53 to 50. 53 ನಾನು 50 round off ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ and 96 I'll round it off to 100 because it is more than 5. So if you add one number to this becomes 10, that is 100. This becomes 100. So 96 becomes 100. So when you multiply 50 into 100, the answer, the product will be 5000. Okay, this is called the estimation of the product. You have to find this number. You have to find the estimation product. Let us see. So 53 I have taken as 50 and 96 as 100. So when you multiply 50 into 100, the estimated product will be 5000. This is the answer or solution. Next question. Second question, 67 and 874. When you multiply these two numbers, that is 67 and 874, the actual product will be 56,749. So when we take 67 as 70, I'll take 67 as 70 because if you round it off to the nearest tens, that becomes 67 becomes 70. This is more than 5 and it becomes 70. So 874, if I take 874, 74 is more than 50, so I'll take this as 900. 70 into 900, so 7 nines are is 63. 7 is 63, that is 63,000. Therefore the product will be, estimated product will be 63,000. So 67 as 70 and 874 as 900. The product will be, estimated product will be 63,000. Next question, 94 and 614. So if you multiply 94 and 614, you will be getting the product as 57,716. But if I take 94 as 90 and 614 as 600, the product will be, estimated product will be 54,000. When you multiply these two, 90 into 60, 600, the product will be 54,000. Okay, next question, 39 and 84. When you multiply 39 and 84, the product will be 3,276. But when you take 39 as 40 and 84 as 80, 84 is a 32. Therefore, 32, the estimated product will be 3200. Next, make estimate the sum of the following numbers. So, you have to estimate the sum. That means add. If you should estimate and add the following numbers and write the estimated sum. First question, 5614 and 64,161. If you estimate 5,614, that will be 5,600, and if you estimate 64,161, that will be 64,200 or 64. You can make it as two answers, 64, 200. If you round it up for 100 term, 100 place, it will be 200, or if you round it up for the thousands place, that is 64,000. You can, the answer may vary. Answer ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ತಗೋತೀರೋ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಷನ್ ತಗೋತೀರೋ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್. If you add these two numbers, the estimation sum will be 69,600. So estimation, ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರು ಒಂಥರ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ 5,614 ಇರೋದನ್ನ ನೀವು 5,600 ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬಹುದು, ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ 6,000 ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 600 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. So you can take it as 6,000 also. So this is called estimation, and the approximate value ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ ಅವರಿಗೆ. And 64,161 ಅನ್ನು 100 round off ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ it becomes 64,200 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Or if you round it off to thousands place, that becomes 64,000. So there is nothing wrong in these two numbers. Okay, this is just a estimation. ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಒಂದು approximate value ಬೇಕು. Okay, ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇನ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, 6,854 18,714. If you take estimation or round it off to the 100, this becomes 6,900 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, and 18,700 becomes 18,700. Okay, if you take it off, round it off the 100 place ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 100 place ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. When you add these two numbers, the estimated sum will be 25,600. See, ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. If you write it as 25,000 or 26,000, it is not a wrong. It's an approximate value. Okay, next question ನೋಡೋಣ. 4,666 and 15,384. 4,666 ನಾವು ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟೆಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 4,700 ತಗೋತೀವಿ, and 15,384 estimated value, let us take as 15,400. And if you add these two numbers, the estimated sum will be 20,100. Okay, next question, 6,847 plus 87,136. So if they estimation value ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, that becomes 6,800, and here 87,100 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. When you add these two numbers, the estimated sum will be 93,900. This is the just a approximate value. Some may get 94,000 ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊ ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟೇ, 94,000 ಕರೆಕ್ಟೇ, 93,900 ಕರೆಕ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ just we are getting a estimated rough value. Next question, 7th main, estimated difference. So in last one we have just added, here you have to subtract difference the following numbers. So here 4,964 ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5,932. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ if you write down it up to the nearest 100, this becomes 5,000 and this becomes 5,100. So 5,100 first and subtract 5,000. Therefore estimated difference is only 100. 5,100 ku 5,000 difference is 100 difference ಬಂತು. This is the estimated difference. Next question ನೋಡೋಣ. 2,54,631 and 8,646. If you take estimated value, that is 2,54,600, ಇದು 100ಗೆ ನಾವು round off ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. 2,54,600. Here if you round off to the nearest 100, it becomes 8,600 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So if you subtract, the estimated difference will be 2,46,000. Okay, it is nothing but we have to difference separate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಟು ದ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ 100 or thousands ಇದ್ರೆ 1000 ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ 100 or 1000 ಮಾಡಿ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬೇಕು. Some may get 2,45,000, some may get 2,47,000 ಬರ್ಬೋದು. Okay, don't get confused. So just approximate value, not totally different for an answer. Answer totally 2,46,000 ಇರೋದು. You cannot write the answer totally different ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. You cannot write 1,32,000 ಆಗಲಿ 1,75,000 ಆಗಲಿ ಆ ಥರ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟ್ ಒಂದು 500,000 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಷನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ 86,316, 94,796. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ದಿಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 94,800 and here it becomes 86,300. If you subtract, the difference is 8,500. This is the estimated difference. Okay, next question. 74,961 and 41,866. ಇದನ್ನ estimated round off ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? This becomes 75,000 and here 41,900. So separate ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ the difference is estimated difference is 33,100. Here we have come to end of exercise 1.3 and let us come with next video exercise 1.4. Thank you.